So, hey guys, Master Sanzo here. I am the final anomaly. So not too long ago I made a video on OBS and how I set it up for it to help me do my streaming, because I struggled a lot with the audio, the video, it being in sync, the graphics, just about every single thing. So if you want to know about that, I'll have the link below for that video. Please feel free to comment and share it. But anyway, for this one, on that last video, I went ahead and just skipped over using my Nvidia card. And the reason is I was having issues using it with OBS on Windows 10. And so I kind of just gave up on using it. But I've decided that I needed to do the research, and I'm going to tell you that it is 100% better using my Nvidia card. 100%. Everything is it's so crisp, it's clean, it's fast, it's nice. I love it. I would look at other people's streams and be like, "How is their quality so much better?" And yeah, internet's got a lot to do with it, but so does the way your setup is. And so anyway, real short, it was real fast to fix. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did it. So the first thing I did is you want to hit the Windows button and X together. And let me go ahead and show you how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. And you want to go to Device Manager. And so when you go to Device Manager, it's going to bring up a window. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to go ahead and move it over to the screen here. And so you want to go to Display Adapters. And on Display Adapters, it'll tell you what NVIDIA card you have. So this is NVIDIA GeForce GT 650M. And so it's a GeForce. So anyway, and you'll probably have something similar. But all I did, let me show you, was go to, let me bring up the internet, Google. And you know, I didn't do this specifically. It took me a long time to end up doing this. But eventually I was led to GeForce Experience. And so GeForce Experience. And keep in mind, I uninstalled drivers, I installed new drivers, I changed some settings around, I deleted everything. I mean, I spent quite some time on this, and I would have literally taken 5 minutes just doing it this way. All I did was go to GeForce Experience. I went ahead and downloaded it. What this does is it pulls up a system that'll run your NVIDIA card and uninstall all the drivers and reinstall all new drivers up to date. Even on the Dell website, I could not get the up-to-date drivers. I think it was letting me get the drivers from, I forgot what year, but this gave me up to date. As soon as it was done, that was it. There was nothing. I went, changed it to NVIDIA, and I was able to use it on OBS, and I'm able to use the actual card on my computer now. And so anyway, it was literally that simple. So in a nutshell, I just Googled GeForce Experience. First, you want to go ahead and make sure what card you have. Let it run through the system. It looks it up, uninstalls all the old drivers, reinstalls new drivers, and then you're set. You restart your computer and you're done. It was that simple. Anyway, guys, if that helped you, I would appreciate any support. Share the video, like it, have a comment. In the description, I'm going to have the link to my Twitch account and to my Mixer account. If you're into streaming and like video games, feel free to follow me on there. Any and all support is appreciated. If this helped you, go ahead and share it with other people. If you want to go back to the video I made on OBS and my settings for streaming, if it helped you, please share that video as well. Guys, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.